How to present ideas to senior leadership. Step by step. You walk into a meeting with senior leadership. Everyone turns to you. You have one shot to explain your idea clearly, confidently, and professionally. Most people fail here, not because the idea is bad, but because the presentation flow is weak. Today, I'll show you the exact American executive structure leaders expect. The executive presentation flow. The 4-part structure. Senior leaders don't want long stories. They want clarity, speed, and confidence. Here is the 4-part executive flow used in American companies. 1. Open. State the purpose clearly. Leaders want to know why they're listening. Executive examples. Here's the current issue and the solution I'm proposing. Today I want to walk you through a recommendation to improve X. The purpose of this presentation is to give you a clear path forward. This opening tells the room, I'm organized. I know exactly why we're here. 2. Frame. Give the context and the insight. Leaders don't need every detail. They need the core logic. Use a short, tight framing statement. Here's what's happening. Here's what this means. Here's why it matters. This is the insight moment, the moment leaders lean in. 3. Recommend. Present your options and the why. Never give information. Give a recommendation. Executive examples. I recommend option B because it reduces risk and improves the timeline. The data suggests the best next step is. Here's the most efficient path forward. This is where leadership hears your thinking, not just your facts. 4. Close. End with clear, strong next steps. Your ending should be decisive, not soft. Executive examples. If approved, we can begin X on Monday. Here are the 3 next steps I suggest. I'm happy to take questions now. This tells leaders, I'm ready. I'm prepared. I'm confident. How to open with clarity and authority. Avoid weak openings like, so yeah. I guess I'll start. I'm not sure if this is helpful, but I hope this makes sense. These destroy credibility immediately. Use leadership openers. Let's begin with the purpose of this presentation. Here's the key problem we're solving. I'll walk you through a simple recommendation. This is short. This is direct. This is confident. Handling questions. Professionally, senior leaders test you with questions. You must be able to stay calm. Acknowledge the question. Respond structurally. Use this 3-step question handling technique. 1. Acknowledge. Great question. Thanks for raising that. Let me clarify that. 2. Answer the core of the question. Keep it tight. No rambling. Leaders want signal, not noise. 3. Bridge back to your main message, and that's why option B remains the strongest path. Which brings us back to the recommendation. That's exactly why this timeline works. You stay in control, not the question. Strong closing statements. Leaders respect. End decisively. Here are executive level closing lines. To summarize, the clearest path forward is, if you're aligned, we can begin immediately. I'm confident this approach will achieve X outcome. Happy to answer additional questions. Your close should communicate, I am prepared, capable, and ready for ownership. Full example. Put it all together. Open. Today I'd like to propose a solution to improve our customer response time. Frame. Over the past quarter, response times increased by 18%. The main cause is X. This affects customer satisfaction and future revenue. Recommend. I recommend we implement a 2-step triage system. It reduces workload, increases speed, and requires minimal training. Close. If approved, we can launch the pilot next Monday. I'm happy to walk through timelines or answer questions. It's clear. It's tight. It's professional. Presenting to senior leadership is not about perfection. It's about structure, clarity, and confidence. Use this method once, and you will immediately sound more executive. Thanks for watching. The Executive English Coach.